It's Alex. Are you struggling to make your Facebook ads successful? Do you know why they're failing? Do you know what the number one thing is that's killing your Facebook ads? I'll show you in this video.
The path is clear.
The number one thing killing your Facebook ads and what you can do about it. Do you know what that number one thing is? Creatives. Facebook ads only amplify what's already working. They only work when the creative works and the website converts. Creatives are sometimes more important than audience, bidding, and scaling strategies combined. You definitely need to have, your ads need to have that thumb-stopping power so people stop scrolling on their mobiles. And you need to speak directly to your audience about how your product will transform their lives. It's not just a product that has certain benefits. It will transform their lives. It will solve their problems. You can use pictures that invoke, you need to use pictures that invoke a story. The viewer should always ask, why is this happening? It should make them think, it should make them wonder what is going on. When you're using videos, you need to use videos demonstrating the product's main benefit. Like in this example, there's this video about this motorcycle garage, and you can see exactly the motorcycle going into the garage and how the size accommodates the motorcycle neatly. You need to create engagement with those pictures and with those videos. If you demonstrate the product in the video and you invoke a thought or a sense of wonder in the picture, then you're creating engagement. And as you can see in the previous slide, I showed you this video of the motorcycle garage that generated 24.5 million views, 266 comments, 600 reactions and shares. So that is definitely an engagement creating video. You need to make the viewers feel proud when they share this to their friends. The viewers never need to wonder what their friends are going to think if they share something. They should be happy to share it. They should be proud to share it. And you need to make your own physical product videos or pictures. Don't use stock standard, don't use stock photography. Make sure that you have the video shown in a great light and demonstrated properly on a video. You need to zig when everybody else is zagging. So check your competitors' ads and do the opposite to stand out. And if they're doing color, do black and white. Teal and orange is a very good thing that you can implement. Teal and orange is like a technique that helps push teals into the shadow and oranges into the highlights. So this helps create contrast by using these complementary colors. It adds color contrast to your shot, replicates the golden hour effect, which is the hours right after sunrise and right before sunset, and it helps the viewer focus on the subject. And as you can see, I just got this image of the orange teal Photoshop tutorial to show you that this is actually a thing that you can do using Photoshop or any photo editing program. If you use text stories, use long form text stories that help generate engagement, and they are excellent for branding. And don't forget, you always need to refresh your creative frequently. It helps avoid ad saturation. Facebook likes this, and because Facebook likes it, it avoids low relevance scores. And because you have high relevance scores when you refresh your creative frequently, it helps decrease costs. And that's all for now. So basically, you need to pay attention to your creatives. Creatives include copy, include headlines, include calls to action, and also include obviously images and videos. And pay attention to these items, and you're going to see that your ads are going to be much more successful. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when I release new videos. Also, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.